Hey there, money-savvy viewers. If you're frustrated with overspending and want to take control of your finances, you're in the right spot. Today, we're breaking down how to track your spending in YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget. This powerful app helps you assign every dollar a job, making it easier to see where your money is going. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to get started with YNAB. Head to their website, sign up for an account, and download the app on your phone or computer. Once you're in, the key is setting up your budget categories. Think about your expenses, groceries, rent, entertainment, and create categories that match your lifestyle. YNAB makes this simple with customizable options. Next, it's all about entering your transactions. You can link your bank accounts for automatic imports, or if you prefer manual entry, just add them as you go. The app syncs in real time, so you'll see updates instantly. Now, here's where the magic happens. Categorize each transaction. For example, if you bought coffee, assign it to your dining out category. This step is crucial because it shows you exactly how much you're spending in each area. Don't forget to review your spending regularly. YNAB has built-in reports and dashboards that let you visualize your habits. If you notice you're overspending in one category, like eating out too often, you can adjust your budget on the fly. It's all about being proactive. Finally, make tracking a habit. Set aside a few minutes each day or week to check in. Over time, you'll gain amazing insights into your financial patterns and start making smarter decisions. So, what are you waiting for? Give YNAB a try and watch your spending habits transform. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money tips.